Earth game, I drop that song there again. It a do things, it turn up, loud. Hey! And voice you know say, I'm rotten dude. Worst game, a worst nightmare.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Move! Today we are with Khago. Yeah, man. Khago Sky got himself with 2 times. It's an official music video. Long time we don't get an official music video from Khago. So him drop one. So I'm going to jump in it and see what go on, man. Let's go, man. Let's get it. 2 times. Long shade global, pick up myself. Janaville Records, pick up myself.
Yeah, girl, you not get the chance to break me heart 2 times, although me love you.
Never.
Really love you. God knows I'm in love you. Yeah, girl, you not.
Oh, my God! Hold on, the Khago. Ladies, not get a chance to rock my heart 2 times. No, 1 time is enough. 1 time is enough. Sky God.
Yeah, girl, you not get the chance to break me heart 2 times, although me love you.
Reggae music.
Really love you. God knows I'm in love you. Yeah, girl, you not get the chance to disrespect me 2 times. You not get the chance to commit back the crime, I'm in love you.
Yo, hold on, man. Hold on, man. Knowing the person who Khago is, what kind of fuck with Khago tell a girl that make she smile so? Khago fuck you, man, you know? Khago fuck you, man, for sure. What about tell her, you know?
You not get the chance to disrespect me 2 times. You not get the chance to
Especially
commit back the crime, I'm in love you.
Yeah.
My love you till me heart so low. You and I were best of friends. I thought this journey will never end, but you betrayed.
Let me just take the time off and big up moms in that video. Moms, you look good. You look good. You look good. Again.
Yeah, girl, you not get the chance to break me heart 2 times, although me love you. I really love you.
Reggae music.
God knows I'm in love you. Yeah, girl, you not get the chance to disrespect me 2 times. You not get the chance to commit back the crime, I'm in love you. Me love you till me heart so low. You and I were best of friends. I thought this journey will never end, but you betrayed. Mommy can't find you, babe. And even though me can't find you replacement, I and I hold on for this statement. You make me feel uncontent.
Hold on, man. That look too good. That look the way she a getting G when I was driving that drop top. That look too good, you know. I wonder if she go make him kick with Khago foot. That don't make no sense.
And even though me can't find your replacement, I and I hold on for this statement.
Look on the look where she a give him. Look on the look where she a give him. That me a talk about. Look on the look, no man, just look on the look. Look on the look where she a give him. Bumbo clot, Khago, you look good, you look good. Watch it look.
Y'all, I tell you, yeah, y'all, you not get the chance to break my heart 2 times, although me love you. Yeah. I really love you. Jah knows say me love you.
Well, I know, me fast, you know, because I love read people messages, you know. Me fast, you fuck, you know. All right, hot trust, that's a Khago. We don't say a Khago. A Khago that? Hot trust? No, acting call himself hot trust. And a Khago that. All right. Me can't read it what that said properly. Anyway, location send, miss call. Message deleted. All right. Some people delete message. All right then. I'm about to call you when I get okay. I'm about to call you when I get a second. I go over here so now. Live. Okay, receive. Share message him and say, where are you? Me blood clot. You know, look good.
Yo, Jah knows say me love you.
You know, look good.
Yes, girl, you not get the chance to diss me 2 times. You not get the chance to commit that the crime, I'm in love.
Bumbo clot on my way, boo hoo. Boo-hoo!
Kiss me 2 times. Can I get the chance to commit that the crime? I'm in love. You
know them said the love when me have for you is blind. Love is blind. The love to all me love you, people think I'm blind. People think I'm not see what you do. People think I'm not see what you're up to. But you not get the chance to rub me out 2 times. Never.
Say my love, you is blind. Oh, this kind of love like a big bad bro. Oh me, oh my. Burning blood. It's for you this morning, looking good in your clothes, and it hurt me up.
Bumbo
See you
club.
with him.
Charlene love pretty car eye. She see the jean at the drop top and a die. Says she want a piece of him body. I no lie. What going?
See you with him. Yeah. My heart full of love, same way.
Well on the man. So Khago there start drink rose gold moet. But there start drink champagne and she a drive past in a drop top.
My heart full of love, same way. But me a tough it out, same way. I have one whole and
Ah, Sir Youth Green, look at yourself. Legend. If you don't know, you know.
But me a tough it out, same way. I have one whole and for me pride and me purpose.
I say, what go on?
Girl, you diss me for purpose, me nerve. You can break my heart 2 times more. Even though me love you till me blind. Me a want and for me purpose, me a man. Me love me so much, see you the girl.
So what go on here so now? It's a setup. It was a setup. Was it a fucking setup? It was. I think it's a setup. So the G in pan it. The G Khago in with the G for catch her. Cause she have things, girl. She love things. She love hot things. She love people things. She love hot ride. She love big house, money in a bank. Yeah, she love it all.
See you the real girl. You came ready, I get the chance. Me heart 2 times.
You like that video? Me like it. No, you go call Khago now when anyone just reject you. All right.
Love me, love you, till me fly. You not get the chance to diss me 2 times. You not get the chance to come in. You can find me love you. You break me. Girl, you break me. Me have to pick up myself by my scooter. Me and my friend them. Yeah, girl, you break me. Yeah, girl, you tear me apart. Can't never give you back that chance.
Not the chance, eh, girl?
Yeah, me love myself more than me love you. Me love myself more than how me love you.
I love myself more than all me love you. So I always gonna put myself first. I always gonna put my emotions and my feelings over your one. Me nah make you draw no cloud over my eyes. So me not see what go on. Me see what you up to, mama. Me see what you up to. Me see what you up to, mama. Me see what you up to. Yeah.
And anything that make me so weak, me I stay far from. God, get back to me music, get back to me purpose. Oh, you can't break me. You can't break my heart 2 times. Oh no, me not give you the chance again. Although me love you. Oh, I see you this morning. You're looking so appealing. Want me I go and do me so. Oh,
Pussy cloud.
Nah, I broke the heart 2 times, baby.
Yeah, you nah rock the G out 2 times. Yeah, you mean? What you mean? Look at this setup because the G never even gone away with her. Him just get her for go on. You see me? Yeah, so the G I say, me at the G were in the car. So he must say, so basically, the same as how you would have left Khago for me, we have a car. Same way, you left me, we have a car for your man, we have a house. Alright. Khago, you don't make she break your heart, G. Hold firm. Set her up our blood, clear. We're not test man her. You and Green, sir, big up yourself. Big up the production team behind the one. Khago, big up yourself. Big up yourself, G. Solid song, solid music video, solid concept behind it. I like it. Khago is just Khago. You know, if you don't know Khago, man, something wrong with you, man. Khago is just Khago. Big up yourself, G. Big up yourself. Let me know what you guys think about this one, though, in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys down there. For real, for real.
It's all about Jamaica's worst gamer. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rap connect.